Hi guys, it's me, Karen K. So if you're into romance novels, mahilig kayo magbasa ng mga romance novels, I want you to check my second book, Against the Odds. It's already available in Amazon and Amazon Kindle. If you prefer ebook, nasa Amazon Kindle siya. But if you want to grab a hard copy, paperback, sa Amazon.com kayo mag-order. If you're a Philippine resident, if hindi carry yung shipping fee ng book, you can send me a direct message for pre-orders. I will include you dun sa mga nag-orders for the copy of this book. Um, para free shipping siya from me to you, and also may freebies din akong ibibigay. So yun, if you can, please do grab a copy if wala pa kayo or hindi niyo pa nababasa. And if you happen to read na, please don't forget to leave a review dun sa Amazon, or send me a DM also for the review, for the improvement ko in writing, and also about the story, yung ganon. And then promotion na din ng book if you happen to give a review. So yun. Again, guys, please do um, take time to read Against the Odds sa Amazon Kindle, or grab a copy at Amazon. So yun. Thank you so much.